Hi, Grammar Pirates. Welcome back for another edition. Today we are going to be talking about subjects and predicates. So, Grammar Pirates, a sentence needs to contain a who and a what's happening, otherwise known as a subject and a predicate. When looking at a sentence, it is important to follow through the Grammar Pirate steps. You don't know the Grammar Pirate steps? That's all right. I'm going to start telling you. Step 1, underline the verb. Let's take a look at our example sentence and begin our work on it. What is the verb in the sentence, or what's being done? It's sang. Then we get ready to find our next step. Step 2 is draw the mast. This means we place a line or a mast between the complete subject and the complete predicate. Our verb is sang, and the verb, or what's happening, belongs in the predicate. It needs to be in the predicate. We usually draw the mast before the verb or verb phrase. In this case, the mast will be between caterpillars and sang. In our example sentence, we know where the mast belongs to separate the who or what of the sentence, the subject, and the what's happening, or the predicate. If we were to just talk about the simple subject, who or what is the sentence really about? So where our mast is, to the left of that is our subject, and we have 25 purple caterpillars. But what is it really about? It's really about caterpillars. Everything else to the left of the mast provides more detail about the caterpillars in the subject, but it really comes down to talking about the caterpillars. And conversely, the predicate is a simple version of everything to the right of the mast in the predicate. What is actually happening with no embellishment? Here's the beautiful thing, Grammar Pirates. We've already done the hard work here. It's underlined. They sang. If you have the complete set of Harry Potter books, you don't just have one of the series, you have the entire set of books. So if something is complete, it is everything, including all of the details. This means everything to the left in purple of the mast is the complete subject. Everything to the right of the mast in red is the complete predicate. All right, we're going to start going through those Grammar Pirate steps. I need you to complete steps 1 and 2. What are they again? That's right. Step 1, underline the verb. And step 2, draw the mast, which separates the subject and the predicate. So for number 1, what would you do for steps 1 and 2? I see 17 scared spiders. Number 2, 12 ice cream cones fell quickly to the floor. Number 3, you need to eat your dinner. Number 4, my cute little 3-year-old dog plays with her giant caterpillar. Number 5, the creepy and very spooky trees told me to run the other direction. So you've done step 1, underline the verb. Step 2, draw the mast. All right, let's see how you did. See is the verb, your mast between I and C. Here's number 2. There's step 1, step 2. You can see step 1, underline the verb, draw the mast. Underline the verb, draw the mast. Underline the verb, draw the mast. Steps 1 and 2. All right, let's try some more looking for simple subjects, complete subjects, simple predicates, and complete predicates. So I'll tell you which one to look for. So in number 1, I see 17 scared spiders. Identify the simple subject. In number 2, find the complete predicate. 12 ice cream cones fell quickly to the floor. And number 3, find the simple predicate. You need to eat your dinner. Number 4, my cute little 3-year-old dog plays with her giant caterpillar. Find the simple subject. And number 5, the creepy and very spooky trees told me to run the other direction. Find the complete subject. All right, so you can see everything that's highlighted in red. Answer that question. Look at the simple ones. They're very small, one word, verb phrases sometimes, and the complete predicates and the complete subjects. You've got everything that's beside that mast. So do you see how knowing the grammar pirate steps can make your life easier as a writer? I hope you do. I'm glad to have had you. Keep practicing, use your noodle, and I will see you on our next episode.